We've arrived.
It's Two Castles 2025.
We're just walking over to the castle, dropped our car off. It's currently 7:45, an hour and a quarter to the race. I've got my cheeky personalisation on the number for once. Hayley didn't get the memo though.
No, I love Hayley, but last year they never actually put the names on, so I was like, oh, it doesn't really matter. Well, I've obviously still got my knee playing up, so I really don't know.
I raced on Wednesday. There's the race. Didn't go as well as planned, so hopefully today goes better than that. I'm going to go off a bit more reserved and just play each mile as it comes, really. We'll see what happens, just go for the vibes, enjoy, and yeah, hopefully my legs don't die. My arms have been peeling from the festival we went to, so not ideal. And there's quite a lot of people here today. There's about 4,000 people that are entered for this race.
It's definitely our biggest one around here, isn't it?
Let's get to the castle. Got my classic beetroot. This is nearly out, so I don't actually know. This is groundbreaking, but I don't know if I'll restock these or not.
Depends if you get sponsored.
They're quite a lot of money, and so far
Watch out.
I don't know how much benefit they actually have.
I guess it's so subtle, you're never gonna like...
I know, but maybe today will change my mind. Oh, never gets any easier.
I was also a skeptic of these, but I'm gonna try it today because I do have the race and then I've got a netball match, so I was like, may as well. Here we go.
Bottoms up.
I've still never done it in one.
Way. Verdict?
There's kind of a carrot flavour in there too.
I want you to be mine all alone for all time. I want you to be mine all alone for all time.
You got the dog.
Yeah, I do.
I want you to be mine all alone for all time. I want you to be mine all alone for
Hey, you alright? Starting my own running club, Ryan. Hello! A winner, I believe, yesterday.
Yeah.
Tyso Windmill.
Tyso Windmill 10k, yeah.
People don't give Tyso Windmill the credit it deserves
No,
today.
they don't. It's a brutal race, you know.
Yeah. I didn't expect to see you here today. I thought you'd be knackered after.
I am pretty tired.
Harry's a beast. Different
We're going to give it a go. So.
Oh, wow. So what are you going for today?
Don't know. I'm worried that you might even beat me.
You might even be. Are those Raleigh Adventures pins?
Yeah, they are.
They're class!
We're ready. Let's go.
right, 36-34, so just missed out. Ryan, so then Brian Baker's got a camera on his head, so we're going to see it from a first person view. You can see that, we've got our second lady coming through now.
You looked happy. Was it like 52, 51 minutes or something?
Yeah, but it was really short.
I got 10.07.
I got 9.8 or something.
No, I was way out. Like 10.3.
Hayley's just cutting all the corners to make up the
I
time.
got a different PB though. I
Cool,
got
PB.
double figures of high fives with kids.
Oh wow, every time I high five kids I seem to speed up.
Yeah, it does give you a boost, so thank you.
So we just got back from 2 castles. It was pretty good this year. Time wise I was expecting to be worse because it was too good. These are the times we both did. Very, very good all things considered, I think. Here are the paces we did on the course.
I haven't actually
Not too
looked
bad.
yet.
I don't think it was that bad because I haven't seen my watch. I think generally we were probably pretty good, pretty similar vibes.
So it was kind of nice because I got to just like enjoy it and like do all the high fives and everything. But my fitness was okay.
Yeah,
I didn't feel like I was dying.
yeah, my legs felt a bit dead. That was a lot better than the Sphinx 5 race for me. And I was actually quicker on the 5 mile mark in comparison to the Sphinx 5, so I'm definitely getting back slowly.
I even ran back.
This coach queue is way too long. I'd rather just run back to Warwick. Nice 10k cooldown if you were.
My Sunday long run.
Sunday long run, that's basically what I was thinking about. I need the distance rather than getting the times right now.
Good things about the event. We love the water bottles.
The water bottles, and they hand them to you.
And there's bins like at a suitable distance.
Yeah.
Support was really, really good this year, especially like the final turn up to the castle was just like
Really
incredible.
good.
I can't believe it was that hot. So
It was a warm one.
every time this race, always warm. I did like the fact that we were able to do a different pedestrian way in, so that saved us a bit of time getting in. The only thing is, I still find the separation a bit weird, so I don't know if you might have picked up, but on the video there's 2 different colour bibs going around.
They make it so the main part is everyone, and then there's another part near the front that's just for the Warwickshire Road Race League clubs, because for some reason they're still stuck in like the 1900s and they do it all off gun time rather than chip time. I would think in the future just scrap it, do it by chip time, and then just have different coloured wave sections rather. So it's like in that section where the Warwickshire Road Race League runners, just give everyone a colour for sub 45 minute guess or something like that.
Yeah.
And then just do it colour bands rather than just having it main and then the other.
Yeah, because it felt a bit odd this year because they let some people in that were quick, which is kind of like letting your own daughter do something but not letting all the other kids. Like, it just felt a bit...
Well, for reference, they let Mom in, so she is quick.
You
It's
got the
38
priority
minutes,
entrance.
but he didn't have a club, so
Yeah, he should be at the front, but you know what I mean. Like I should have been in the main bit today because I wasn't
Yeah.
going as quick as normal.
Haley was
like-
basically a roadblock for everyone behind her,
Yeah.
so I wouldn't want to run past Haley. So
But even in our section, like, there's no real way of knowing whether you're stood in the right
I know.
place. So yeah, that I would love that if we had a bit
time
more.
waves.
Because given the amount of people that run this, I do think it would be.
4,000 people is quite a lot of people, and if
Yeah.
there's Haley's not going to be the only 50-minute runner in our wave, so imagine that over the Warwickshire Road Race League, which
Yeah.
has about 1,000 people, I'd say. At least 300 to 400 of those people are a nice roadblock in the way of everyone else behind them.
Like, it's not the worst thing, I just think it can make it a smoother experience for everyone, that's all.
For reference, we had a friend, Jack. He was in the main wave. He is about 44 minutes, and he overtook Haley 2k in.
Yeah.
That's the only thing we can complain about. Yeah, we live and we learn, but we saw Mark.
I saw Andy.
Quite a few people are here. I will put a link to everyone's Two Castle videos down here, and also have the people I think are there on the screen, so you can't miss any of that action. Our next race is in a month or so there's a little gap between the races. If you want anything else that isn't a race, comment down below and we will make a video about it. The next video will probably be the Northbrook 10k in July. It's a fast one, I'm aiming for a good time, better on, improved from Two Castles, probably won't be a good time for me, but I'm going to go for it and actually push from the start this time and take a risk.
I reckon I might have to try that one. Because my knee was okay.
You heard that here first, people.
Maybe because I did quite a lot of warming up.
Yeah, you did loads. I
I'd
saw
go
it.
for it.
Haley did more warming up than me. Warm up is key.
We'll see you at Northbrook.
On to our next adventure.